Did you know the microwave oven was invented by accident? In 1945, engineer Percy Spencer was testing a magnetron when he discovered that a chocolate bar in his pocket had melted. Intrigued, he tried popping popcorn kernels nearby, and they exploded. His next experiment with an egg ended in a messy explosion, showcasing the power of microwaves. By 1947, the first commercial microwave, the Red Orange, hit the market, standing 6 feet tall and costing $5,000. It was mainly used in restaurants until the 1960s, when smaller, affordable models became available for home kitchens. Ironically, Percy never patented his invention, so he didn't profit from its success. Next time you heat up leftovers, think of that melted chocolate bar and Percy's curiosity.